The over-the-counter OTC market structure and assets. When discussing equity trading, most investors focus on centralized exchanges like the NYSE or NASDAQ. However, a significant portion of global financial transactions occurs on the over-the-counter, or OTC market. OTC is a decentralized market where participants trade securities directly without the involvement of a central exchange. Trading is facilitated through a dealer-broker electronic network. The OTC market is not limited to equities. It serves as the primary venue for trading most currency pairs, Forex, the majority of bonds, derivatives, and the shares of companies not listed on major exchanges. Unlike centralized exchanges, OTC companies often operate under reduced financial reporting requirements. This attracts smaller, developing, or international companies seeking capital. This decrease in transparency introduces two key risks. Firstly, low liquidity. It can often be difficult to find a buyer or seller at a desired price. Secondly, increased counterparty credit risk, as the transaction is executed directly between two parties. Opportunities. Despite the risks, the OTC provides unique opportunities for experienced traders, access to nascent markets, and the potential for significant growth in the stock of smaller companies that may eventually transition to major exchanges. Trading OTC markets demands rigorous due diligence. Ensure your broker provides the necessary tools to assess risk and corporate reporting. Ready to explore OTC trading? Open your account today.